God, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Line short answer, it's hard to count on one arm or one leg. Is he the outside linebacker version of Vance McDonald? I just wrote about Bud Dupree on Thursday here. Look, he has had those previous issues, but go back to last year. Okay, he did not miss a game, and he only missed. He was on the injury report 3 different weeks last year. It's a shame that I'm.
weight the polls to make sure that you capture all the demographics in the right way so that the universe of people that you find online sort of also represent a broader universe of voters?
Yeah, I mean, we get that question a lot, and I think the assumption is that older people are not online. That's simply not true. I mean, there are older people, we have trouble getting people over 80, over 85 to apply online. The real challenge is getting representative of 18 to 40 year olds. And I think one of the ways that you do is different. You're 100% committed to constantly meeting and trying to find affordable ways.
Yeah, we got him now.
Yeah, at least they make the numbers. Right. Oh my God! Look at that!
I see him. Go knock it down. Stay back, Rick. Stay back. Damn thing might break.
No, this has got to be out of here.
What the hell's the matter with that guy? Look at him. What the hell's the matter? He's drunk. He's doped up or something. He's running or something. I don't know what's the matter with that guy. Good golly, Ricky. Damn power line break down and kill us too. Kill me and you too.
Call 911 there.
I ain't got no phone. 911.
Yeah. Oh, fire. The party.
There's a lot of cars for 3 o'clock. He's in a hurry.
Oh shit.
delays from approaching southbound to east of Cawthra. Eastbound Gardner is slow from Humber Bridge over to Dufferin. If you're traveling east on the 401, it's still slow from Bluffline over to Trafalgar. Another delay through Mississauga Road and from Dixie all the way to Victoria Park in the Express and to Kennedy in the Collectors. If you're headed south on the 400, it's